How to find the Lost Goddess promo code. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want some of the promotion codes or the discount codes for the Lost Goddess, two such popular promo code for now is the first one is AYFPOZ. Likewise, the next one is BDGMWU. These are the sections of the promo code that has been introduced by the Steam community. So it is quite reliable as well as verified. Likewise, another one is BDGMWU. Just copy these codes or you can just type in to redeem. The best way to find some of the promo codes of Lost Goddess is through the Reddit community and the Steam community of Lost Goddess. You can just swipe in or go through the community guidelines and the community conversations and you will find the latest codes. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.